Fire! There's a fire in the engine room.
Reporting fire to the bridge. We have a fire in the engine room.
Bridge to master, we have a report of a fire in the engine room.
Okay, proceed with firefighting. Gather all available resources.
Right now rigging up
Fire is getting worse. We can control it.
Master, the fire cannot be controlled. We need to take further action.
Okay, understood. Prepare to abandon ship. OOW, initiate the distress signal broadcast to all vessel.
Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. This is MV Calapan, MV Calapan, MV Calapan. Call sign, Delta, Echo, Lima, Tango, Alpha. MMSI, 245876004. Position, 27 degree 00 minutes north. 052 degree 00 minutes east. My vessel is on par. My vessel is on par. We have a 20 crew member. We have launched 4 lifeboat with 5 crew members on it. I require immediate assistance. I repeat, I require immediate assistance. Over. Master, we have a situation. An alarm was triggered in the steering console.
Let me see. The steering isn't responding. Master, both steering motor are broken. We need to anchor immediately to ensure safety. Understood. OOW, we need to broadcast an urgency message.
Pan. All station, all station, all station. This is MV Calapan, MV Calapan, MV Calapan. Call sign, Delta, Echo, Lima, Tango, Alpha. MMSI, 245876004. Position, 27 degree 00 minutes north. 052 degree 00 minutes east. Attention all vessels in the vicinity. This is an emergency message. The vessel is experiencing steering failure. All vessels are advised to give way. Please be advised to maintain distance.
Master, I report a floating container 2 points to the starboard bow.
Master, I have located the floating container and I'm reporting it.
Три контейнера.
OOW, please take the position of the container and broadcast a safety message on channel 12. Security, security, security. All station, all station, all station. This is MV Calapan, MV Calapan, MV Calapan. Call sign, Delta, Echo, Lima, Tango, Alpha. A floating container is located at position 27 degree 00 minutes north, 05 degree 00 minutes east. All vessel in the area, please keep sharp lookout. I repeat, all vessel in the area, please keep sharp lookout. Over.
this day